For those of you who do not know, Talon asked Santa for a cat last year for Christmas, and he got her one. And he gave him one. He gave him this certain cat because they share the same birthday. So Minnie Mouse shares a birthday with Talon. They have the same birthday. So I'm going to take Talon and I'm going to let him pick out her birthday present. Do you want to go do that? Mm-hmm. Yeah? What are you going to get her? We'll see when we get there. See what they have.
Yeah, let's get her a ball.
A ball? Okay, we'll see if they have any cat balls. Okay, here's the cat stuff.
There's cat food. Look at this cat.
That's silly.
Yeah, it's funny.
Yeah.
Is it okay if we get her these and this?
Yeah. Look at, there's like mice up here.
Mice.
Look at those things. What do you think?
No, I think those mice.
You want the mice? You want white or gray?
Why?
I think there's a brown one too.
Why?
You want the white one? Tatum wants this Meow Mix.
Million?
You want the white one?
Yeah.
What about one of these little, I don't even know what that is, a fish? Or a bird? What is that?
It's a fish one.
It's a fish one. What about that thing?
That thing is awesome. I know what those is. I want those.
What ones?
That fish one.
The green one or the blue one?
The green one.
The green one? That thing?
Mm-hmm.
I kind of want this thing for her.
Huh?
I kind of want to get her this.
Let's get her that.
You want that too?
Mm-hmm. Let's get her kinda this.
That's cat food. She has cat food.
Oh.
Yeah. I think that's it.
There's some more.
I think those are dog toys. Yeah, that's got a doggy on it.
Mm-hmm. What's this for?
Dogs.
Dog? What's this?
Dog toy. A chew toy for a dog. Whoa! Okay, so Talon's birthday party is next weekend, and he picked Pokemon for his birthday party. So I saw something on Pinterest that I want to try and recreate, so I went to the store and I got stuff to try and make his party bags look like Pokeballs. So we'll see if it works. while you were at school, I made these for your party.
For me.
You want to see? What does that look like? A Pokemon ball. So we're gonna open them. Oops, glued it together.
Huh?
Uh-oh. Oopsies. Oopsie, oops. Oh, this would be easier if taped. Oh gosh, look up. Thank you. There we go. Okay, look. See, we're gonna open it and then we're gonna put stuff in them for people who come to your party. Is that cool?
Mm-hmm.
I think they turned out pretty good.
Yeah, but what's these for?
That's gonna go in there. These are little, it's a noise petty.
Noise by
So we're gonna put one in each bag for people that come to your party.
Mm.
Do you wanna do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we gonna open Deja?
Yep, we're gonna open those and we're gonna put one in each bag.
I'm gonna
So wait, we'll do this a little bit more organized, okay?
Okay, look.
Got Tatum trying to help me.
Yeah, but he's grabbing those.
I know what she's doing.
So I'm gonna go one in each bag.
One in each bag. Okay, here's the finished product. I think they turned out cute. I mean, some of them look like Talon made them himself, but what do you think, buddy?
It looks good.
You think it looks good? Look at me. You think it looks good?
Mm-hmm.
What are you playing with?
This. But what?
Okay.
I think you have to do that, and maybe it just fits it like.
Whoa.
Maybe what?
Baby girl is over it. Huh? Are you over it? You got slobbers? Oh, oops.